Hello, welcome to Gatsby GH. This is your girl next door. We're talking about Hajia4real. Hey. Okay, so I read this caption. It says Hajia4real reportedly plead with United States court to relax her bail conditions or her bail restrictions. We all know about Hajia4real recently getting busted for allegedly for money laundering and so many charges leveled against her. She was apprehended in UK, United Kingdom, where she was placed on certain restrictions, including a GPS tracker to avoid her from traveling or to track her wherever that she goes. Fast forward, she was extradited to United States early this year, and from what we heard, so many charges pending against this young lady that should she be found guilty of all those charges, faces like countless of years in prison. Well, I'm pretty sure the man is time I could be work up about what the jail term so. Na I sense be brain. Na ya rehearsal so in the sense say, or your bad time, I will crab of fracketwa. What you say? And see, anyway, I would say all these things are found to be true. Like it's on one vein about home. Or being one conquer is animal we say now. So, fast forward, came to United States. She was placed under the same conditions with a GPS tracker, but apparently a more stricter condition. And during her interview with Kofi TV, all of these became evidence. So I'm going to post it so you can also read this for your own self. I found it on one of those, one of the social media platforms. So it says that the socialite bail conditions apparently include not leaving the New Jersey condo where she's been staying. The condominium is like what, maybe like 900 square feet, and if you are in that place day in and day out, I'm telling you, you will go crazy. Regardless of what it is, you will go crazy. So she's been confined into those walls, just that alone. Hey, everybody, America for Anyway, so Hajia4real begged the U.S. court to relax her bail restrictions so that she could roam about, the place freely. Because after all, she still has that GPS tracker. It goes on to say that she asked the court to relax the terms in court documents that were broadcasted on Kofi TV on the grounds that she has been acting well. So she has been, exhibiting good behavior. So she wants a little bit of pardon, right? She wants to be pardoned a little bit. Her daughter, who is currently living with her, it's 9 years old, is about to start elementary school, and she is pleading that, before she goes to school, she can take the kid to all these amusement park, these museums, theaters, and everything. Now, I'm going to before she starts school, because of the stress of the mother being confined or restricted to those four walls in the condominium. It's placing a lot of stress on her and the child. The child has started seeing that and has started exhibiting some, kind of depressive behaviors, because it goes to say that the kid feels imprisoned. Oh, 9-year-old, you cannot confine a 9-year-old to four walls. It's a common thing. No, why they didn't echo. Now, say videos, no, so about so make us said Hajia4real. Because what in Yanti Biho, Yana say Yana videos, Babontia, or Sa Kuntania, their days. That's all freedom. A book one number one thing in Yamanyama. And I think now you pass a videos, and I may have me. Anyway, so she has asked the judge to allow her to move a little bit, even come downstairs, grab for fresh air. Now, if it's a hospital, go from the prison, sometimes your mom between you. Now, on stand apart the condo, next on C4, downstairs here, because the men fell elevator and put, Obiania fell elevator and Mafahifa. And a GPS, your friend is a Google map actually baby with this part of the world. If the GPS no ever tracking anywhere everywhere their mama. And no kase mpamuchowa. It's as a GPS no bomb in 9 modi a bank aba na yi you know the obviously sakwa must na dey between na wa hand no see no tracking me. Nti me nko baby a mama move around kakra na metimi kra enya metimi e de me ben so akwa abonten kakra because if I cannot affect the psyche so what you see. I think say so far the plea has gone. We're all waiting for what they will say, and we're hoping that the judge will hear her in good faith and relax the bail conditions for her. Hey Hajia, next time we'll radicalize me and file break me and video. Yes, which is all about. Unquadi as our car will call. Now my news about with John McShay. When I will you know won't be a D. Then the one I'll trim me. True fears, true fears, true prison. Hey, I say more. Yo, anyway, that's it for now. Hajia4real. Please, if you have any comments, any wishes to wish her, just leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.